Now, when it comes to adding basic text, Streamlit offers 3 key methods: text, markdown, and write. Each serves a different purpose, and I'll walk you through how they work. First, we have text. This method displays plain, unformatted text, ideal for simple strings without styling. For example, we can write st.text and the sentence, "This is plain text with no formatting." Let's see how it looks in the app. As expected, it's a simple text with no formatting. Next is the markdown method, enabling you to create markdown syntax for adding formatting like headers, lists, bold text, and italics. For instance, if we write st.markdown and the following text, we're going to get a formatted sentence. In this case, the hash symbol creates a header, the double asterisks bold the text, and the dash makes a list item. You'll also notice a backslash and an N in the code, representing a new line. Finally, we have the write method, the most versatile of the 3. It can automatically detect and render different types of content, such as plain text, markdown, data frames, and even plots. This flexibility makes it the method we'll be using most frequently. And this is how it works. We type st.write and put the content inside quotation marks. Let's once again save the file and refresh the browser. Great! Of course, each element has its unique set of parameters. You don't need to remember them because they're well documented in Streamlit's API reference. Again, I encourage you to check it out and experiment with them throughout the course. Since write is the method we'll use most often, let me walk you through some of its parameters. As we've already mentioned, the beauty of the write method lies in its versatility. It automatically adapts to whatever you pass into it. We've shown an example of passing a simple string, but there's so much more we can do. For instance, we can pass a dictionary. Recall that a dictionary is a collection of key value pairs, often used to store data that needs to be displayed in a structured format. Here's how you can do it. First, initialize the dictionary by calling it data. Then, we'll give a name, age, and occupation. We then use st.write and pass data as an argument to show it. In this case, write will automatically format the dictionary into a neat table, displaying the key value pairs in an easy-to-read format. Streamlit also provides numerous interactive elements like buttons, text boxes, checkboxes, and many more. These elements make your app dynamic and user-friendly. We'll explore them in more detail as we progress through our project. But now, let's shift our focus to another important set of elements: the chat elements. See you in the next lesson.